Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sanudin from MG103 class. Today, the topic of presentation is English language learning and the development of the English language in Indonesia. English has become the universal language for communication and is used worldwide in various fields. In Indonesia, it is not only a foreign language but also a second language that has been included in the education system. Learning English is crucial for students in Indonesia because it provides them with a competitive edge in today's globalized world. These are the things that are learning in English. Number one, learning of listening. Number two, learning of speaking skill. Number three, learning of reading skill. And the last, learning of writing skill. Knowledge of English is essential for students in Indonesia. It provides them with numerous advantages, including better career opportunities, access to knowledge, and improved communication skill. The key benefit of mastering this global language: number one, increase competitiveness. Number two, get wider job opportunities. Number three, get a higher salary. Number four, opening wider business opportunities. Number five, expanding the network. Number six, make it easier to access information. Number seven, make it easier to communicate with foreigners. Number eight, increase self-confidence. One of the most significant advantages is that it improves career opportunities. In today's world, almost every company requires employees who can communicate effectively in English. This language is used as a medium communication in international business, and having good English skill can help students stand out in job application. With the advancement of technology, remote work is becoming more common, and students with strong English skill have the advantage of being able to work with companies worldwide. Difficulties in learning English. Many students find that learning the English language is not easy. English language learning may struggle to pronounce English, to learn English grammar, to memorize the meaning of English word, of to use the right metaphor or idiom. Number one, English is not similar to your native language. Learning English will be most difficult for students whose mother tongue is very different from English. Number two, English verb tenses takes practice. Learning then to use different English verb tenses is notoriously difficult for English language students. The reason English verb tenses are so tricky is that they carry a lot of information about when and how something happened. It's more complicated than just past, present, and future. Number three, choosing when to use which article is difficult. Deciding when and how to use English articles, a, an, and the, is usually a challenge for English learners. Number four, partial verbs are applicable. Partial verbs are verbs made up of more than one word, usually a classic verb, example, put, kick, and move, and a preposition, example, out, over, and up. Number five, negative sentence and question are challenging. English question, what does Ken like? A negative sentence, Ken does not like this, are usually challenging for language learner. Number 6, English spelling is confusing. English spelling is one of the most difficult things for English learner to master. Number 7, English has irregular verb. Learning to use irregular verb and irregular plural is difficult for most English language learning because it requires a lot of memorization. The last, English has a large and diverse vocabulary. English has a large and more varied vocabulary than most other grammatically similar languages. The development of English language learning in the digital area has significantly changed the paradigm of English language learned. The use of technology and digital media has opened new opportunities to strengthen the four language skill: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The utilization of digital resources, such as online learning websites, language apps, and social media platforms, it provides easier access for students to deepen their understanding of English. In this regard, the use of technology becomes key to enhancing student interaction with learning material more intensively. English language learning in the digital era also encourage students to actively engage in communication with native speaker through various platforms, including that app and language exchange, to help them improve their speaking and listening skill directly from native sources. Additionally, exploring various types of text in English, such as new articles, blogs, and books through digital platform, enrich student understanding of structure and writing styles in English. The increasing need for English language ability has highlighted the necessity of good language acquisition and communication abilities. Artificial intelligence (AI) has emerged as a viable aid in the fields of education, including language acquisition of technology advance. AI tool for English language teaching. An example is ELSA, an AI-powered app to help students improve their pronunciation and speaking skill. Number 2, Grammarly, a writing tool that provides real-time feedback on grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Number 3, Duolingo, a language learning platform that uses AI to help students practice listening and speaking skill. Next, HelloTalks, an AI-based application that helps students in listening and speaking in English. The next, 3, an AI tool for enhancing reading comprehension. That's all my presentation. Thank you.